Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A22, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'm going to be using the home screen as an example. And once it's open and visible, simply press power key and volume down together. You'll have this animation. Now if you're doing this for the first time, it does give you this pop-up, so you need to allow access to storage, so it actually has some kind of location to save that screenshot to. And once that's done, this is only a one-time thing with the allow access to storage, at which point you will be just able to slap those two keys and it will take a screenshot without any kind of problem. So as you can see, once you capture it, it gives you a share and edit option right there, at which point after a second or so it disappears. So that being said, you can now find your screenshots in the gallery application. As you can see, there they are, the two screenshots that I have captured, along with them being accessible in the album section under a screenshot folder, which will contain only the screenshots. And there we go, zooming in, as you can see, there it is. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.